Take all your mistakes and figure out what you did wrong and go back and fix them the next go around, man, they not really mistakes then, they life lessons. You know? Don't do my clients like that now. This the barbershop, don't be coming up. I got you, man, I got you. I got you. Who is that?
The security lady.
You be giving the security lady a hard time, don't you?
Hey, what?
What is it? Hey, how you doing?
All right, I'm Franklin, man.
What's that?
Franklin?
Franklin, I'm done.
All right, I'm done too. Cut right here.
See, man, that's the second one with that uniform that came in here.
Cut right there. You do the rest of it good. Just cut it right.
All right.
You cut it back.
I got you.
We'll do a ticket on it later.
We'll clean them up later. All right. For sure. Boy, you be cutting up in the hallway, man. What grade you in?
8.
Hey, on your way up out this thing, huh?
This is Nimrod.
What was that?
Nimrod.
Nimrod.
Yes.
How you doing, man? I got you next, man, all right? But 8th grade, man, you at the perfect place to get your game plan together. You know what I'm saying? Real talk. Got them dips up here, man. You be working on them boys, don't you? Imagine like the best version of yourself, right? And you living out all of the things you want to do. What that person look like to you?
Probably stat jeans. Stat jeans and a customized shirt.
All right.
Jordans.
Jordans?
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel that. What kind of job you want to be doing?
Probably work at a shoe market.
All right. Are you into customizing t-shirts and fashion and, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Dog, that's what you go to school for right there. That's what, you know what I'm saying? Did you come up with this? Whose idea is this?
We talked about it with my AP.
Oh, yeah.
That's so cute. It plays every period.
That's what's up. I'm asking Enrique, like, man, this is every day? It's like, man, they change it up every time, you know what I'm saying?
This is Jace.
What's up, Jace? How you doing, man? Already. Yo, man, I ain't used to that, man. I'm just used to that loud, obnoxious bell. What's the hardest part about being in middle school?
That you got a whole lot of classes. You got 8 classes.
8 classes every day? Or
Yeah, every day.
every day? Y'all don't split them? 4 one day and 4 the other day? No.
We get out at 4:10. I do not want to get out at 4:10. Knowing that chain had chains too.
What time you trying to get out?
At least 2:30.
Man, you tripping, man. Who you look up to?
I'll say my dad.
Already, man.
Like my mom and my dad encouraged me keep going good in school because I just not too long ago got kicked off the basketball team because I got a 63 in science.
Whew.
It's only that 1 grade, and then coach didn't let me came to practice, and then coach told me, you can't play at the game because you got a 63.
How did it make you feel?
I was mad.
I know, man. I've been there, boy. Take all your mistakes and figure out what you did wrong and go back and fix them the next go around. Man, they not really mistakes then, they life lessons. You know what I'm saying? So that's the key to it all, like making all your mistakes a lesson that you learn from. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And, you know, kind of carry that with you, like, I don't make mistakes, I learn lessons. You know? And if you 100 with yourself, you probably just wasn't applying yourself enough. You know what I'm saying? Like, just sitting here talking to you, I know you got the potential to make straight A's, man. You know what I'm saying? If you really applied yourself, you know.
And also, we want to wish Miss Window a happy belated birthday. Guys, what we're going to say? Happy birthday.
Why y'all ain't say it?
Also, today is...
Golly, man.
Hey, we don't do it.
Man, y'all tripping, man.
Happy birthday. Mrs. Lufton.
Say, man.
Counselors, please. Ms. Robinson and Ms. Miriam.
Oh, man.